Hello, you're welcome to JTech Gadgets. A customer brought this phone complaining about that the phone won't power off. What happened was that she gave the phone to her children to operate, and it seems the children tampered with the phone settings, and because of that the phone is not able to power off. When you press the power button, instead of the phone bringing the option of restart or power off or flight mode, it doesn't bring any of that. So now we are going to solve this problem to see what actually is wrong with the phone. Yes, you can see this phone is Samsung phone, and the model of this phone is Samsung S21 Plus Ultra. I'll be solving the problem so that the phone can be able to switch on and off. And when I tap the power button, what happens is that when I tap it once, the phone goes to idle mode, but when I press it hard for it to bring up the power off option, it doesn't come. So what I'll be doing is I'll be solving this problem, and we have to go to the settings in order to be able to solve this problem. First we go to settings, then you scroll down at the search bar, you type side key, you type it on the keyboard. Then after typing, it will bring up the side key. It will take you straight to the side key menu, where you have to select to remove the settings which cause all the problem. As you can see on the screen, I've come to them. So what actually happened was that they fixed it on Wake Bixby, but you have to change it and set it to power off menu, which is exactly what I've done. And now let's give it a try and see if it will actually work. As you can see, it's bringing up the power off, restart and emergency mode, which simply means the whole thing started from the settings. The children have gone to tamper with the settings of the phone. That is the main reason why the whole problem started. And as you can see, everything is working perfect. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day.